and still not patients go on na wontimi njawo nurses ni nso aside say yeso no ebi kowo ebi nyam ebi do ma matimi afanyame anim send nurses 15,000 no or terminate on my appointment after no more baby hwehwem.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Make asaba second nurses ne so. Eto me bi ohun. Aya na medanya me asese de ekoso nyina no e kasa kyereye. Efa baabi no me eye me de. But the eye me ya ne say ebi motua fees, ebi motena fee ache. Enye omu nyina na ba out back council hunu tia MPP government. But ekoba ye no akọ affect omu nyina. Me eno na eye me ya because one yenya time any nurses ni bi kasa especially oma no mo rotation students are never for clinicals so alawan de ebeje na nso yanto ebitimi kacho o yebeto atia sister na mo de say ye kan ne na wom ye kacho mze look at Amel's time Mahama time that time ni nyina ye system nim ye nim de see Mahama time say no munima na lodina we bi o mu recruiting nurses to other countries salary ne ba 30% be call lodina accounts na wo na wo sa countries wo dey 70 inti de aka no better na ho be say omo the be cause outside the box or say inside the box menya me nwanwa say ebetimi aba say lodina method na no person mo san start. And also no omoya no for NDC for into NDC chairman ba who opposition bi ye here no akwa register bi ye de moko salary no yeah, so I think say the
that,
same
na Voice nanado buy obeto asu who say nanado enso de bi call sao be 2020 2021 2022 na bi mu ha.
all right, so I think
I'm up for you interview. Yeah.
I think the same process and omo pese omo san fa so enu de up to omo ankasa but the ya me yakesi pa ye say nurses na ebia start adwuma The Voice na wo ka say three nurses to 1,000 or say 10,000 ebi yeah ebi wo hono ma na ebro by no ma the accurate ratio. I am a senior nursing officer. I am in charge of one unit. And when himself late, me report to Juma 7 o'clock, me be do fia how much 2 a.m. And you be the workload and not available. So you as in charge, what's a what supposed to hear Juma because one will say even my do a motor night and so into her Juma na akwanka night ni so na wuntimi njaho. And two something baby amete now will drive what does so be sham robbers what does so win share patience won't and all this extra work no they are not going to add any additional money biama wo
Voice me bacho me bacho Ghana na o kan asem yo ho
trying.
Oh, God bless you. All right.
Me want mention government hospital
Man for additional money to that. Yeah, man for details into that.
no problem
Hospital yeah,
additional money bra what me brankasa ama what to read them say what break hwe what me night no more night no patients na konka wom because omusa nti once what me reporting them na wo support wom na re wo kwa adwuma na paba na me bedu fie be 10 minutes and I'm online and be who say wo ye me ba so but me free and past 7 something in the rest and ka woni wo man kunu bi net ya and no wajo mo anapa na because of workload nti wa be fear at this time and affect your marriage and affect your ma Bayenie. It's even young penny for na encourage yes, opportunity to go, just go. And penny for na encourage yes, a young co. Almost in the room of some say, now what ya more day, Canada, New UK, not a munko biana. O man cassa nation, you cry say, young quat no near Ghana, ye co. Into bro, me say every a few way in quite way and ratio no crano. Just say, why we are better gone because over the rate I bread and even sometimes the resource was all the jumana any one ma a tom may be a just say nipa one more best me ma yeah the bitu floor not floor I am ma and still my patients go on no won't mean jaw nurses ni nso aside say you so no ebi kowo ebi nyam ebi ya drama ma timi apanyame anim send nurses 15,000 no or terminate or appointment after no mobile bishop na sempanyufo Ghana ha nyina ka oma no atum asofo a edu campaign so yenya no kan sem nyina ka oma no atum because of say omo de omo yale a omo private hospital no betimi de omo ma akokọ kwa abrochi sebi omo ni bi ni sofa ye nyina nyame re sometimes eno na ya ye ko a ye ntimi nja omo won ke betimi aja omo obi because e duty ni akọ after all time no so aso but o hwede ebi mo fam na hwede ekọ na untimi nja na wasa wotena wono mo ukọ adwuma na paba na adwo ebu on no wafiri won tam kwa 5 something 6 something na afi na wo ba ntimi awia ye nyina ye call meeting Ghana Registered Nurses Midwife Association Metro Metro Directorates executives make meeting ye nyina ye call bi and ye up to Monday. Some Monday or man can na se perpetual mo ye rough abra mi donya me ombeti ye nyina yenka because yesu ye nipa sometimes to me ko be fi no abra na hu ne wonyo just that untimi nya obi wo se obi suffer inti nurses na sem na aba no efe bi no ho eye ya but efe bi ni nyankopon de kire ye nyansa sa ya mo clearance bi ni ene makasa mo encourage mo maame na mo nkoto ye nto na aban na ye sei na aba ene ne wo gina o ka sa aban na ye sei ye nto bia no se ni pakro ka ho bia ene obeso osu but just that afa baby inti ya fam de bi e be ye to push say aban ne sa best sana no na o maye ne ma ye no ye gusu ye be ye ba nya sa de a ene ye nya ye ushia no personal obi enka nkyere wo say oye jimijimi who na parents ne kasa na ekasa chero so some of us like name no we are not surprised about the attitude. Two, nana nkanza bodu na wode na sama konuso no sebi boy nim word am use ama no ba wo pa ahemfo na ye stubborn wa Ashanti na we one of them nti wonye small team a ono obetena ho no mo say twifa no so. Secondly, Ashantis yenya mere to the extent say oba be use west bi dia beti ahemfo ni na yaye din ahwe eba ye no ono aba out sense am na nkofo kanenya no kore na issue ni si kura no woni ho ono di defending ho sa but according to source no oba ho be settle sa we ni wie na fast ofri ho just to defend ne ho say ebeba ye beka say o ho no ma na say woni ho no nti enene de let's leave it because one nana nkanza bodu nyamre one nyamre ye mu ye nim no ye nim de man no betumi aye onyamre nti de oye no kra de ye mu bia ye sere ena se wonim a Ashanti region hanom ye wo group bo my to say East Lagos executives no so your regional minister wo ba no amfa ho amowo wo ye commander wo amfa ho amowo mo a ninye sure say 1 month kra be in opposition so nti do mu oye bia no mu nyina do mu na hwe nti omo e ka omo asem no kra de a amakonye nye wo bia wo ye tough guy a wo bi ntimi handle no there be no way na say basabasa ena yempe na Ashanti region nanka sa obo asefo no kofo omo baaye no wo ko nanka ye mankofo nso hie omo kwan manka den ne besi bad ni nyina no emmoa Asanteman ena emmoa Ghana nti no de I don't think say nana nkansa bodu ni menhia be dey so wontwimfo obi so dabi